Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's surgical wound. It appears to be infected.
Thank you for bringing this to my attention, Mihira. Let's assess the wound and discuss treatment options.
The wound is red, swollen, and draining pus. Mr. George is also complaining of pain and fever.
Those are classic signs of infection. We'll need to clean the wound and prescribe antibiotics to address the infection.
I've already applied a sterile dressing to the wound. Should we change it more frequently?
Yes, we should change the dressing daily to monitor the wound and ensure proper healing. We may also need to consider a wound vacuum therapy device to promote drainage and healing.
I'll inform Mr. George about the need for additional treatment and ensure he's comfortable.
It's important to monitor his condition closely and adjust treatment as needed. Mihira will schedule a follow-up appointment to assess the healing process. Mihira, let's talk about healthy habits. Instead of focusing on restricting food or overexercising, we can shift our focus to balanced eating. This means making sure you're getting a variety of nourishing foods that give your body the energy it needs, without feeling guilty or deprived. Think about eating regular meals and snacks that include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy proteins. When it comes to physical activity, the goal is regular movement that you genuinely enjoy, not just to burn calories. This could be anything from walking with friends, playing a sport, or dancing, whatever makes you feel good. And getting adequate sleep, around 7 to 9 hours a night, is incredibly important for both your physical and mental health. For positive body image, a key strategy is to try reducing your social media comparison. Remember that what you see online is often a highly curated version of reality, not a true reflection. Instead, let's try to focus on your overall well-being, on what your body can do, and how it helps you experience life, rather than just fixating on its weight or appearance. It's about appreciating your body for its strength and health,